everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis. Thank you for joining me today. Today is actually Sunday, and my friend came over and asked me to help her with a project. So I'm going to show you. Recently I did a video on how to make these beautiful little arrangements, and on these particular ones I used a plastic a little tub bucket and made these really cute arrangements. Well, she saw these and asked me to put some more together. So I put some more together, and let me show you what I came up with. So Dollar Tree has these cute little tins. So I made this arrangement. It's really pretty. And then I put another one together here, and it's really full, and it is with this beautiful tin with the jute around and twine around the top. Looked really cute. And then I got inspired myself, and I took these cute little cardboard boxes that look like a bag for fall that I showed you, and made an arrangement inside of them. So they're really cute. I have one more to show you. This little one says Hello Fall on it, and it is just full of autumn goodness and beauty. So anyway, my friend is putting together a craft booth for November, and she asked me to create some more arrangements. So I wanted to show you what she brought me to get started in creating. So she brought me all of this stuff to add to arrangements, some for Christmas, but mostly I'm going to work on fall. And you can see there is just so much here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to work on this. I'm going to let you kind of watch me work in a quick fashion, and then we're going to see what I come up with at the end. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. This cute little stacked pumpkins, kind of at a diagonal angle. It's really cute, and it's tiny. It's adorable actually. Then we got this one with the white pot and the scarecrow and the pumpkins. We got the pumpkins here. I think they all turned out really cute. Then we got this little one, this little flower arrangement with 3 pumpkins. There's another one, really cute. And then we've got this beautiful one here with a bow on the side, little burlap pumpkin here. I hope you can see these okay. They turned out really pretty. And this is the silver pot. All right. Then we have this cute little one here with the wood pot, and it's just a little small one with a little raffia bow here. And then I have a couple more. These are kind of remade. We added a little scarecrow here. This just silver pot. And then one more, this one with a little pumpkin, just full. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing the creations come together. I hope they inspire you in some way to create your own fall arrangement. And have a great night until next time. Thank you for watching.